Hi and welcome to this video where we will look at the Zoho CRM demo. I am going to be showcasing all of the feature inside of Zoho CRM. We will run through all the different areas of the system including homepage, leads, contact, deals and accounts. I will explain how activity works and some other things just to give you a good insight into what the CRM system look like. Let's get into the demonstration. So once you log into the Zoho CRM system, the first page you are going to be presented with is your home screen. Now, as you can see here, we have an array of different dataset or information that we can use to judge how a day is going to go, what information we need to know to get our day started. All of this data is entirely customizable as well. So we can change any of the view here or any of the graphs to fit your need and what you want to see as soon as you log into the system to get a jump on your day and get a head start and make sure everything that you need to know you do know or being presented with. So you have got the home screen here. Moving from here, we have leads. We also have contacts, accounts and deals. And I'm going to kind of tie all of these four in together. So firstly, we have the leads module and it's a great place to store data on prospect or potential prospect that you are not entirely sure of going to become deals yet. So what we do is we put that data into a place. Let's say your salesperson made an inquiry and it's beneficial to track that information. However, you are still determining if it is going to become a sale or not. So all you do is create a new lead. This means you would not have to create a contact, account or deal yet. You create all that information and store it in the leads module. So if you press the create lead button, you can see the different fields like first name, last name, company and all of this basic information. So once you have created a lead in some time, maybe let's say a week's time, things are looking a lot more promising to becoming a sale and it is significantly higher than all we need to do is convert it from lead to account, contact and a deal. Moving on from the leads module, we have contacts and the contact module is literally any contact associated with your business. I think it's a key to store information about anyone that you work with, whether that to be a supplier or a customer. So contacts are going to look very similar. We have got our views at the top here. So we can break down all of our different contacts and we can use filters as well. And you can create contact from here. And then accounts, this is businesses, so you can see businesses or accounts always related to contact. So traditionally when you create a contact, you associate it with an account, and creating a contact is literally like adding a business that maybe you work with or maybe a prospect like we mentioned with leads. Here as well we got views and filters. Hopefully you have a good idea of what the Zoho CRM system would look like. Moving on from accounts, we have deals. Now deals are our sales. This is where we have managed our sales track. We have a sales pipeline where we would convert a lead that is potential into an actual sale and we could just create a deal from it. Let's see what it allows us to do. If I click on a particular record, you can see here we have a sales pipeline. So hopefully close it as won or you can close it as lost. This data is then tracked inside the Zoho CRM system and you can make informed decision on why this sale was won, this sale was lost. You can start analyzing that data. At any stage, you can add notes, attachments and you can create different activities for this current deal. Now, on the other feature we have on Zoho CRM system for the deals area is a Kanban view. I just give you an example of what this is look like, and it's like in all the different stages just broken down. It's a lot easier to look. It's just a case of dragging and dropping different records to the different stages as you can see here. So moving on from the deals, we have different activities such as task, meeting and call. Get a new task, you can see it's really simple. You just put the subject line, due date, contact for the task, account who is essentially associated with status. We also have report or reporting functions. So this is where we can create or use reports that Zoho CRM provides. You can see create your own report as well as how your Zoho CRM covers the vast majority of things you are likely going to see. Anyway, create a new report is very useful, but CRM has been provided with a long list of different options. So generating any reports is very easy. You can create your own report from here. I've also got the analytics inside the Zoho CRM. I think this is just again a slightly more visual appealing way of dealing with data inside of the CRM system. So you can customize this information just to get a really good visual insight into what is going on inside your business inside the Zoho CRM system. We can add and customize components to see various different things. Now, moving further, here we have products that you can create or import. If I press three dotted button, you will see a whole host of different module inside of Zoho CRM like quote, sales order, purchase order, invoices, and they are literally what they say. Your sales box is where you can literally manage all of your sales in the same place. So let's say you have an information email address and you just want to manage all of that inside of Zoho CRM system for your incoming leads. Perhaps that how you can go ahead and do that in the sales box area. We have campaigns which are marketing, vendors which are people who provide the products and then you associate the products and the vendor. We have price books, then we got cases and solution, which is a great way of dealing with any problem that your customer may have. So you can create a case and you can manage that case through the different stages to resolve it, and then the solution helps you to resolve the problem encountered by the customer. Now we have the Then we have the documents that are uploading documents to your Zoho CRM system. Forecast, which are sales forecast, and then we have visits. It is associated with obviously your website. Ahead from this setup or setting page, you have got the customization and customize your module and fields. You have automation, process management, data administration. You have different way to customize and configure your system. Hopefully this CRM demonstration has given you a clear insight into what Zoho CRM is, its feature, key functionalities, and whether or not this system is the right CRM system for your business. Thank you for watching this video.